Curious about how your net worth stacks up against others your age? Get ready for some fascinating insights as we break down the latest data from the Federal Reserve, revealing the average net worth across different age brackets. These surprising numbers might show you're further along in your financial journey than you think. This newly released data gives us a clear picture of where people stand financially at various stages of life. In this video, we'll dive deep into these statistics and discuss what drives these figures. Stay tuned until the end. You might just change the way you think about your own financial path. Welcome to Sage Investing, bringing you timeless investing wisdom. If you're looking to improve your investing knowledge, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this useful. Net worth averages can vary widely depending on how they're calculated. To get a true sense of what's typical, we'll use the median, which gives a clearer picture of most households. Everyone's financial situation is unique. So comparing your net worth to others in your age group is like checking the traffic around you. It's not a competition, but it's good to know if you're in the right lane. To calculate your net worth, simply add up everything you own of value: retirement accounts, home equity, personal items, and then subtract any debts. What's left over is your net worth. For those under 35, the average net worth is $39,000. This group may have some savings, retirement accounts, and investments, but these are often modest due to limited work experience. Many are still managing student loans, credit card debt, or car loans, which can lower their net worth. Home ownership may be recent, leading to minimal equity. An emergency fund might be part of their net worth if they're financially stable. Overall, significant debt and fewer assets are common, so even a positive net worth is notable. For ages 35 to 44, the average net worth is $135,000. Homeownership starts to play a bigger role, with many building equity in their homes. Retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs have grown, often with employer contributions. They may also have investments in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or additional real estate. Savings and emergency funds are typical, and while some debt remains, it's usually reduced. Career investments often lead to higher earnings, and personal assets like vehicles and collectibles add to their net worth. For those aged 45 to 54, the average net worth is $247,000. Home ownership significantly contributes to this figure, with substantial equity in many properties. Retirement savings in 401ks, IRAs, and similar accounts have grown from steady contributions. Most major debts, including student loans and credit cards, are likely paid off. Investments in education and career often lead to higher earnings. And some may own businesses or have received an inheritance, boosting their financial standing. For ages 55 to 64, the average net worth is $364,000. Home ownership remains a key asset, with many having substantial equity or owning their homes outright. Retirement savings in 401ks, IRAs, and pensions are substantial, and investments usually grow over time. Most have cleared significant debts, including mortgages and student loans. Social Security benefits start around age 62, reducing the need to use savings, and inheritance becomes more likely. For those aged 65 to 74, the average net worth rises to $500,000. Home equity remains high, and investments are still robust. Social Security benefits are fully in place, and most have minimal debt. Any anticipated inheritance is likely already received. For individuals 75 and up, the average net worth drops to $335,000. This decline is due to increased healthcare costs, potential long-term care needs, and a focus on preserving rather than growing wealth. As people near the end of their lives, they shift to enjoying their remaining assets. This drop reflects these changes and isn't necessarily a negative outcome. Examining average net worth by age gives us a fascinating glimpse into the financial lives of people at different stages, from the hustle and bustle of early adulthood to the ease of retirement. It's like getting a sneak peek into everyone's financial story. But remember, money management isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It's a wild ride with its highs and lows. By staying smart about your spending and investments, you'll be well on your way to surpassing these average figures.